Mix detergent with salt and you will thank me. To carry out our tip today, we will put a cup and 1/4 of detergent in a container. My friends always ask me the secret of this mixture. I no longer spend money on conventional products. Detergent is an indispensable item for this tip, not only for cleaning, but also for the aroma it will leave. Next, we will add 2 tablespoons of salt and then mix. And before I forget, tell me which city you are watching us from, so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Whirly Dozel from Calgary. I am happy that you are enjoying our tips. Having done this, we will add a tablespoon of baking soda and then stir again. I bet you have never used this mix of ingredients, and it works perfectly for a complete cleaning in your kitchen. To finish, we will add a cup and 1/4 of water and mix one last time. This mixture yields a lot and will easily remove all the stains from your pans. After this step, our tip will be ready. Let's transfer our mixture to a bottle, making application and storage easier. I am using the same detergent bottle. I will also use a funnel to avoid waste. This is the best secret to make your pans and skillets shine. If you prefer, you can even increase the amount of ingredients in this tip and store it for future use. After closing the bottle, we already have our method ready for application. There will be no more greasy pans in your house. After putting this tip into practice, this product acts in a few moments, easily removing any excess oil. It is impressive how this mixture is effective. Just in contact with the grease, it can easily remove it and you only need to scrub. For complete stain removal from your pan, only this amount is necessary for a complete cleaning. In your kitchen, the baking soda, working together with the detergent and the salt, can directly remove the grease easily. After scrubbing, we already noticed the difference when we place our pan under running water. This product also works for cleaning the stove, easily removing any excess oil. I am sure you will thank me for using this mixture. Tell me what results you achieved at your house. I appreciate that you watched this video up to here. I will see you in the next video. Bye.